Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Lodha Unichem by Lodha Group located on Patel Estate Road near Lodha Blair, Jogeshwari, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me is the sales office of the project, which is also the actual land parcel. And in this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, speaking of project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.5 acres that will have 5 towers of ground plus 31 story, having 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK residences. And now, before speaking of location and connectivity, let me tell you that this over here is the main entrance to the project, and you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located on Patel Estate Road near Lodha Blair, Jogeshwari, from where Western Express Highway is at a distance of 5 minutes, Metro Station is at a distance of 4 minutes, Jogeshwari Railway Station is at a distance of only 2 minutes, and you have Infinity Mall at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. Also, now let's talk about the amenities. This project has 45 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, golf simulator. Also, the project has a special temperature controlled swimming pool for women and many more luxurious amenities within the project. And now, talking about the configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK residences with 2.5 BHK in the carpet area of approx 950 to 1050 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of approx 1150 to 1250 square feet and 3.5 BHK in the carpet area of approx 1350 to 1450 square feet. And now, speaking of booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 7,20,000. Also, this EOI will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts. EOI holders will be given preference over and above others and preference in inventory selection, which means EOI holders will call first on the day of the launch to select the preferable inventory. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Lodha Unichem by Lodha Group located on Patel Estate Road near Lodha Blair, Jogeshwari, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.